Xindali Industries Company Limited. XDL19 wireless control switch includes various types. It gets ROHS CE FCC approved. High waterproof, reinforced nylon plastic material with good toughness. Dust-proof and waterproof grade is IP65. Easy assembly, reliable quality. Screw-fixed installation, simple and fast. Up, down, southeast, northwest. Multi-directional control, fast response, simple operation. The liner distance of wireless control is 200 meters. Indicator and buzzer intelligent reminder. More efficient, more humane. Packaging material upgrade. Pretty design with environmental protection material. XDL19 wireless control switch is widely used with a safe operation to meet customers' satisfaction. Made by Xindali.